Hello everybody, today is Thursday, December 7th. It's 3:58 p.m., a couple minutes before the regular session futures close. On my left is the time and sales for the EMini S&P, currently trading at 26.39. Today was contract rollover, so don't forget to roll over your contracts to the new front month, which is March of 2018 for the U.S. financial futures and others, anything on the CME or CBOT. Okay, first up was the DAX on the Superenco 10 tick with the line break algorithm, and this hit its goal at 2,500. Fairly active today, up and down, equity high of about 1,900, and then drew down to minus 1,700. So extreme volatility on this chart, but then ultimately coming back and hitting its goal. So testimony to the volatility of the DAX. But that's the reason that it trades so well with the Autotrader, is that volatility. So it's both a blessing and a curse at the same time. Okay, next up, the EMini S&P on a Superenco 6 tick. This one is the one with a limit order minus 2 ticks, 3 contracts, and larger profit goals, 20 and 40 ticks. And our profit goal on this is 1,000, so this was obviously hit with 2 ticks of slippage. Okay, next up is the mid cap, and this hit its goal of 1,000 for the day on the Superenco 6 tick. This is trading only 2 contracts. You can see the trades here up to 1,100 of equity high, which means our profit goal is higher than 1,000. Our profit goal on this is 2,000. So we came up to an equity high of about 1,100 and then dipped down to about 200 or 300 and then came back to settle at 1,000 even. Okay, next is the bonds on the Superenco 2 tick with the line break algorithm. This had a single trade that was good for almost $1,000, 900, and you can see our exits here. We exited basically because we probably got stopped out here. But this went much further actually as it slid into the close. The bonds on the Superenco 6 tick had a similar trade, except this one went all the way down with that move, but we had a losing trade to start, so that dragged us down. This did 1,062 on 2 contracts. Okay, the EMini S&P on a Superenco 2 tick chart, and this one has fixed targets of 7, 8, and 9 ticks. This was pretty active today, but had a relatively small drawdown of only $150 and then up to finish at 437.50, which is an excellent return in the EMini S&P. That's it for today's video. Most everything else had small gains or got stopped out, so not as strong as we've seen recently. But that's normal in trading. You know, you ebb and flow with your P&L. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. Thanks for watching today.